Alright, and welcome to episode 3, where we'll be covering the use of operators in Java. So what we'll do, we'll quickly create a class called operators example. So right click, create class, and here we go. We've got your operators example launched. We'll write our main method as well. As usual, and I prepared a few of the use cases for operators inside of Java. So what we'll do now is we'll declare some variables. So we've got num1 and num2 that we've declared. And what we'll do now is we'll run through a couple of the operators that you can use. The first one is the plus sign operator. So as you guessed, you can add two integers together, or you can concatenate two strings together. And then moving on, you can look at the difference. So here, what you'd do is you'd use the minus operator. So basically the minus sign, you can take a integer away from another integer and so on and so forth. And then you have, moving on from that, the product. So if you want to get the sum of something and you want to times two numbers together, then use the star sign, which is the product. And then what will happen after that is if you want to get the quotient, which is where you'd use the divide sign, where you divide one number by another. So these are kind of like basic things that you learn sort of in maths, but you can also utilize in vast majority of languages, and specifically here within Java. And you notice that these are quite basic, but will become very, very important when you are doing particular calculations as well, as part of your different projects that you're working on. And trust me, there's a lot of that to come. But yeah, as usual, we've written a quick system out print line just to show you the various different values that we're populating. That's a quick summary. Thank you for joining today's episode, and tune in tomorrow for another one.